Welcome to today's online math. All right. Now we are going to integrate this function. Okay. So we have sine raised to the power of 5 here. All right. So let's see how we can amend this function. Okay. Now let's understand from our basic trick that sine squared x plus cos squared x is equals to 1. Okay, so this one is a very powerful identity that we need to understand. Now from here we can write this one as integral of sine. Okay, so we have to the power of 4x sine x dx. So this one is the same as a to the power 4 times a, which will be a to the power 5. So this one is behaving like this. Now remember that sine, so this one is the same as sine x to the power of 5. So another way of writing this is that, okay, now we can still adjust this one here. Okay, so let's write this one as integral. So because I want to do substitution, okay, I want to do substitution here, so I'll write this one as sine, okay, to the second power here, all squared sine x, okay, dx. Now from here, so from here, sine squared x the same as 1 minus cos squared x. So I want to do substitution here. Okay, so we have integral of, so instead of sine squared x, I'll put 1 minus cos squared x. Okay, in place of sine squared x, all squared sine x dx. That's very beautiful. Now from here we can proceed with our substitution. Okay, now don't forget that the derivative of sine, okay, when you differentiate sine you get cos, okay, and when you differentiate cos you get minus sine. Okay, now we want to replace this cos x with u, so let u be cos x. So in writing this one again, it will be 1 minus, okay, so this side 1 minus u squared, since, so we have integral 1 minus u squared all squared, okay, then we have sine x dx, sine x dx. Remember u is cos x, okay, so we have u as cos x. Now the next thing is to make everything in terms of u, so we have to get rid of this sine x here. So what we are going to do, since we have u cos x, we will take derivative of this, so this side will be du, so cos will be minus sine x dx. Okay, so we have sine x here, so we can do substitution. Okay, so from there we have integral of 1 minus u squared. Okay, so we have sine x dx, but this side is minus sine x dx, so it's the same as du. Okay, over -1 equals to sine x dx. And this one is the same as negative du. So in place of this, I'll put this one, which is the same as negative du. Okay. All right. Now let's take it from here. So we can take the negative out here. Integral of -1. Remember we have squared here. Don't forget. -1 minus u squared du. Okay, we have squared there. So let's expand the bracket. That will be integral of -1. Okay, so we are squaring this one. It's the same as 1 squared 1 minus 2u squared plus u to the power 4 du. Okay, so let's multiply 2 by the negative. That will be integral of negative, okay, -1 plus 2u squared. Okay, and the negative will affect this. That will be negative u to the power 4, neg u to the power 4 du. Okay. All right, so we can proceed with the integration from here. All right, so this side will be constant, so that will be minus u. So we add and divide by the total. So we have 2u to the power 3 on 3 minus u to the power 5 on 5 plus c. But u is what? U is cos x. So let's go back and then do our substitution here. So we have minus cos x plus, don't forget that this one is raising to the power, that will be 2 cos x to the power 3 and 3 minus, so we have cos x, so we have to the power 5 and 5 plus c. Now from here we can write this one as minus cos x plus 2 on 3. So this one is the same as cos, so the cube will be there. That's the proper way of writing it. Minus cos cube. Okay, so we have 1 on 5 plus c. So the integral of, okay, sine, okay, the power 5th x dx. So there's the answer. As simple as that. Okay, so we have this as our answer. That's very beautiful. Okay, all right, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right.